Hello everyone, good morning. So today we are going to start our new exercise, that is exercise 2b. We have already completed exercise 2a and the key concepts related to fractions. One thing that you have to remember, whatever the questions that I am leaving in this particular video and as well as in my previous videos as well, that these are the tasks that you have to do in your home. Those who are facing any sort of problems, you just contact me in my WhatsApp, and as well as you can just make a note so that whenever the Zoom class are going to be happen, you can ask me in that session as well. So let's just start exercise 2b. So before starting off exercise 2b, let's just understand this particular concept for multiplication of fraction. Let me just consider two fractions. Let's say 2 by 4 is there multiplied with 8 by 16, right? Now the operator is multiplication. So how do we find the answer? That is the question. So first step is that we can multiply this numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. We can do that. Now we can write 8 in this way, 2 into 2 divided by 2 into 2, and 16. How many 2 are coming up in 16? 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2 is 16, right? So now see, in numerator how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. And in denominator how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we can cancel out each 2 with the numerator and the denominator. So let's say 2 and 2, 1, 2 and 2, 1, 2 and 2, 1, 2 and 2, 1. So in numerator what remains? That is 1 only, because 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 is 1 basically, right? And in denominator 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into 2 into 2. So that means 1 into 2 into 2. So 1 into 2 into 2 is basically 4. So the answer is 1 by 4. This is one method, right? You can do another method as well. In which method you are comfortable, you can do that. 8 by 16. You can cancel out from here only. Now see, in numerator 2 is there, in denominator 16 is there. So the common factor between 16 and 2 is 2. So 2 gets cancelled and what remains? 1. And for 16, 2 into 8 is 16. So that means 8 is over here. Now see, in numerator and denominator both 8 are there, so we can easily cancel out 8 by 8. So what is the answer? 1 by 4. So the key concept is that we can cancel out in cross form as well. But you can see that here I have given this example, no? 2 by 4 into 8 by 16. First of all, we can convert these two fractions in either proper or improper fraction. So 1 by 2 will there, and here also 1 by 2 is there. So 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is what? 1 into 1 is 1, because we can multiply numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. So 2 into 2 is 4. So what is the answer? 4. These are the three methods. Whatever you are comfortable with, you just apply any of this method, right? So let's just start exercise 2b. So the first question of exercise 2b is multiply the following. So here, what is the first question? That is 4 by 5 into 7. Now, as I have told you earlier, that 4 is in numerator and 7 we can write like 4 by 5 into 7 by 1, right? So now see, numerator will be multiplied with the numerator and denominator will be multiplied with the denominator. Now see, 4 into 7 is 28 by 5 into 1 is 5. Now in 28 and 5 there is no common factor available, right? So this will be the required answer for question number 1. Now see, question number 1.3. Question number 1.3 is 16 by 7 into 35, right? So first of all we can write like this, 16 by 7 into 35 by 1 basically, right? Now see, as I have told you that we can cancel out in crossways as well if the operator is multiplication. Now 7 and 35 has the common factor, that is what? That is 7 only, because we can write 35 like 7 into 5. So 7 into 1 will be 7, so 1 will remain, and 7 into 5 will be 35, so 5 will remain. So when 7 gets cancelled out in numerator as well as in denominator, so what is the answer that is remaining? That is 16 into 5. So 16 into 5, which is 80. So that is the answer for question number 1-3. Now question number 1-4. Question number 1-4 is, first of all, we have to convert this mixed fraction into proper fraction. So 4 into 1 will be 4 plus 3 by 4 into 6, right? Now see, 4 into 1 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7. So 7 by 4 into 6 by 1. Now see, we can write 4 like 2 into 2, and for 6 we can write 2 into 3 by 1. Now see here, 2 and 2 are there, that will be cancel out. So whatever remains will be our required answer. So 7 into 3, that is 21 by 2 into 1. So 21 by 2 is the answer for question number 1-4. So now let's just jump into question number 3. Question number 3 is simplify. Simplify. Here the question number 1 is 2 by 3 into 3 by 4 into 4 by 5 into 6 by 9. So first of all, the process will remain same. If thousands of fractions are there, the process will be remain same for each and every questions if there is the operator, that is multiplication, and if there is fraction which is coming under multiplication, the concept will be remain same. So now what is our task? First of all, we just convert this number, yes, 2 into 3 into 4 into 6, right? Whole divided by 3 into 4 into 5 into 9, right? Now see, 5 into 9. Now see, I just write this 6 once again. Okay. Now see here, multiple common factors are there. So the first common factor is 3 and 3, which will cancel out. Now next, see, 4 and 4 are there, which will cancel out with each other. What remains? 2 into 6. 6 we can write like 2 into 3 by 5 into 3 into 3, because 9 is basically 3 into 3. So here what do we observe? That 3 is also the common factor between numerator and denominator, so cancel out with each other. So here there is no common factor remains, so whatever be the answer is the required answer for question number 3-1. So let's just calculate very fast. 2 into 2 is 4 by 5 into 3 is 15. So that is the answer for question number 3-1. Let's just jump into question number 4. So here again mixed fraction is there. First of all, let's just convert it into improper fraction. Now let's see, 8 into 4 is 32, 32 plus 3 is 35 by 8 into 27 by 35 into 7 by 9. So the process will be remain same for each and every question. So 35 into 27 into 7 by 8 into 35 into 9. So have you find out any common factor between numerator and denominator? Yes, definitely 35 and 35, which will cancel out with each other. Now for 27 we can write 3 into 9 and 7 will remain same by 8 into 9. So again 9 and 9 will cancel out, and whatever the multiplication remains, that is our answer. So 3 into 7 is 21 by 8. So that is the answer for question number 3-4. Let's just jump into question number 7. Question number 7 is again one mixed fraction is there. Let's just convert it. 7 into 2 is 14. 14 plus 1 is 15 by 7 into 5 by 7 into 49 by 46 into again one mixed fraction, that is 18 into 1 plus 5. So 18 into 1 is 18 plus 5 is 23. 23 by 18. Now the next process is 15 into 5 into 49 into 23 whole divided by 7 into 7 into 46 into 18. Huge number, no? But we can find out easily some common factors which will cancel out with each other. Now see, 7 into 7 is basically 49. So 49 and both the 7s will be cancel out with each other. Now see, 23 into 2 is 46. So we can write like 15 into 5 into 23 whole divided by 46. We can write like 23 into 2 into 18, right? So 23 and 23 will cancel out with each other, and there is no common factor, I guess. Yes, one common factor is there. For 15 we can write 3 into 5 into 5 by 2 into 18. We can write 3 into 6. 3 into 6 is 18. So 3 and 3 will cancel out with each other. So whatever be the answer remains, that is the answer for question number 3, 7. So 5 into 5 is 25 whole divided by 2 into 6 is 12. So 25 by 12 is the required answer for question number 3, 7. So here is our question number 4. Question number 4 is find the following. The first question is 2 by 5 of 50. Now see, whenever the word this of came, we can easily understand that this is actually indicating multiplication. So 2 by 5 of 50. So of 50 means, if you see, let's say 50 rupees you have and I am the shareholder of your money, or let's say my share will be 2 by 5. So that means I can be the shareholder of 2 by 5 of the amount that you have. So let's just find out what is the amount. So 2 by 5 into 50. So 2 by 5 into 50 is what? Basically 2 into 50 by 5. So 5 and 50 will cancel each other and 10 will remain. So 20 is the answer. So let's say if you have 50 rupees and I am the shareholder with having my share 2 by 5 in your 50 rupees. So what will be my share? That is 20 rupees. Now you can understand, right? So let's just jump into question number 4. 1 by 3 of 1 by 2. So 1 by 3 of 1 by 2. That is multiplication, same process. So that is 1 by 6. 3 into 2 is 6. Now let's just jump into question number 7. 7 by 5 of 5 liters. 7 by 5 of 5 liters. So let's say 5 liter is the total amount. 5 liter is the total amount. So that is basically 5 into 1000 ml. That is 5000 ml. Now we have to find out 7 by 5 portion of 5 liters. So that is basically 7 by 5 into 5000. 5000. So 5000 means what? Means what? Basically 7 into 5000 by 5, that is 1000. So basically 7000 ml, or you can say 7 liters. Either you can convert it into ml, or if there in this particular question 5 and 5 will cancel out with each other, so there will be no problem of such conversion of units. But if some annoying quantities are there, so you can easily convert it basically liter into milliliter. So what is the conversion? 1 liter equal to 1000 ml. Note it down. Now let's see question number 4, 10. 1/4 of a year. So 1/4 of a year means what? The 1/4 portion of an year is how many months? Is basically how many months. So in an year, how many months are there? That is 12. 12 months are there. 12 months are there. So 1 by 4 into 12 means what? 1 into 12 by 4 months basically. So which is 3 months, right? 3 months. So that means 1/4 of an year is actually denoting 3 months. So that is the question, that is actually question number 4, 10. So now question number 5. Question number 5 is basically mangoes are being sold at rupees 38 3/4 per kg. 38 3/4 per kg. And now we have to find out what is the cost of 3 1/5 kg of mangoes. So per kg cost is basically 38 3/4. So 38 3/4 we can easily convert it into improper fraction, and then whatever be the rupees that is coming out, we just easily multiplied with 3 1/5 kg, because 3 1/5 will be more than 1 kg, because we know that improper fraction is basically greater than 1. So now let's just write all the data, whatever it is given over here. So the solution part is that cost of mangoes at per kg equal to rupees 38 3/4. So which is basically 4 into 38 is 4 into 8 is 32, 32 3 carry, 4 into 3 is 12, 12 plus 3 is 15. So 152 plus 3 is 155/4 rupees basically, right? So now we just write cost of mangoes is for 3 1/5 kg. So basically we have to multiply this 3 1/5 into 155/4. That is our task. So now 3 1/5 is basically 5 into 3 15, 15 plus 1 is 16/5 into 155/4. Now the process is similar. Yes, 5 into 4. Now see, 4 into 4 is 16, so 16 and 4 will cancel each other and 4 will remain. And 5 and 155 is 31. 31. So 31 into 4 is our required answer. So 4 into 1 is 4 and 4 into 3 is 12. So 124 rupees is the final answer for question number 5. So now let's just jump into question number 7. Question number 7 is find the area of square of side 5 2/3 meter. So now what is area basically? If I draw this, so let me just consider this as square. So area is basically that region. That region is called our area. To find that area, first we have to do this side multiplied with this side. So here in the case of square, all the sides are same. Basically 5 2/3 meter, 5 2/3 meter, 5 2/3 meter and 5 2/3 meter, right? All the sides are same. So what we have to do, we just multiply this side with this side. So whatever may the answer is the required answer for question number 7. So how do we write it? Let's see. Solution. Side of square equal to 5 2/3 meter. Let's just convert it into proper fraction. So 3 into 5 is 15, 15 plus 2 is 17/3 meter. Now area of square. Area of square is basically side into side. So side into side. Let's just give this abbreviation which will make this sentence valuable, basically meaningful. That is the correct word. So now side is basically 17/3 multiplied with 17/3. So that is our answer. So 17 into 7, 17 into 17 is, what is the answer for 17 into 7? That is 289. So 289 by 3 into 3, that is 9. And meter is there. Here also meter is there. So meter in meter will be meter square. Right? So that is the answer for question number 7. So that is the last question for today's video. That is question number 15. Question number 15 is what? The length of a running track is 750 meter. So let's say that is our running track, and that is 750 meter, basically 750 meter, right? So now Gaurav is a man who covered 2 by 5 of the track by running. So let's say 2 by 5 will be, if I divide this track into 5 equal parts, let's say that is our first part, that is our second part, third part, fourth part, and the last part is our fifth part. So in this question, Gaurav covered 2 by 5 of the track by running. So 2 by 5 means what? The first portion and the second portion. He covered these two portion through running, right? So 2 by 5 he covered through running, and the rest of the thing which remains, the rest of the things with what? How many portions are remaining? 1, 2, 3. So that means 3 by 5 is remaining basically. So 3 by 5 is remaining, and he covered that 3 by 5 distance through walking, by walking basically. So find the distance covered by walking. So now see, 2 by 5 plus 3 by 5 is the total running track, which is how much? 750 meter. So now basically we have to find out this particular portion, 3 by 5 of the portion basically. The total is 750, which is the total portion, total track, and we have to find out the 3 by 5 portion of the track. Now how do we write this answer? 2 by 5. Now see, how do we write it? Distance covered by Gaurav through running equal to 2 by 5 of 750 meter. Now what remains? Now we have to find therefore distance covered by Gaurav through walking is basically what? Is basically total. Total is what? Total, there are 5 portions are there, so that means 5 by 5 minus 2 by 5 of 750 meter. That is our answer. So 5 by 5, here like fractions are there, so 5 is the denominator and 5 minus 2 is 3. So now say 3 by 5 is the required portion. So 3 by 5 of 750, and we know that of is indicating which operator? Multiplication. So 3 by 5 into 750. So the answer is basically 3 into 750 by 5. So 750 by 5 is basically what? 15 into 5 is 75. So 150 is in the numerator which remains, and 150 into 3 is basically 450 meter. So the distance Gaurav covered by walking is basically 450 meter. So that is the area which is which Gaurav covered through working. So that is the end of this particular session. I hope you have learned something new. One more thing, this is the foundation of concepts. Whatever I have discussed with you in my previous videos and this current video as well, this is the foundation of concepts, because this will be applicable not only in class 7 but in class 8 and among class 9, 10, 11, 12 as well. So if you found any sort of doubts, you just make it a note, and whenever there will be a Zoom class, you just ask me, and as well as you can contact me in WhatsApp as well. So I hope this particular video will help you out, and whatever be the question remaining, right, so that is your task. You have to do it in your home, and stay safe. Bye bye, take care.